Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm in the car. I'm in the car, guys. Yeah, I'm right in the car because today I just feel like taking you guys along my day. I don't know if this vlog is day in the life or not. I haven't done day in the life for quite a while. Okay, so I just thought I would just take you guys along. Okay, so let's see how the day get up to. Today is Thursday, if I'm not mistakenly, the 12th. Yeah, Thursday the 12th, guys. So let's dive right into the vlog. Okay guys, so I'm still in the car. Okay, I'm still in the car. So shall I tell you guys where I'm going? Might sounds boring, but chemist, post office, shopping. Today's Thursday. I might just take you guys to my shopping as well. Post office, the chemist, I'm not sure because I've shown you guys my chemist already. But anyway, let's go. Let me turn on the car. Let's go. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you like my turban, I have it on my website. I have different styles, different color actually. The same styles but different design, different color. Okay. And I also have some head wrap, head scarf. Very nice, like tribal African designs, okay, on the website SOPHIA'S.com. The link is always on the description section at the bottom of this video. There's a little drop, a little kind of arrow that you just touch and the description box will open. The link is right there. Okay guys, yeah, sorry guys, I just finished from the post office now. I forgot I was actually vlogging. Okay, and then of course the weather is very nice today anyway. I'm just walking to the car now. Okay guys, sorry, as I was saying, I forgot I was even vlogging because my friend called me, so I forgot I was taking you guys to the post office. But anyway, I was coming back when I was talking earlier, but somebody was playing copyright music on their car. Oh my god, you guys already know copyright headache. You know the way copyright is with YouTube. If you're a content creator, if you're not a content creator, you won't understand what I'm saying. Which means playing the music that you don't have right to in your videos. YouTube will just give you a copyright claim or even a strike, which is annoying. Yes, I'm in the car now. My friend just had a good news for me. Oh, I'm so happy for her, so happy for her. You know, being a resident in this country, it's not a joke. So they just gave her a resident, so I'm so happy for her. I'm so happy. I was just like, oh, congratulations, congratulations. I'm so happy for her. I think that's why I forgot to even vlog. Yeah, getting resident in UK, it's no joke. It's not a joke. So I'm so happy for her, so happy for her. Yeah guys, so I'm in the car right now. I bought this peanut punch. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this drink. Okay, if you are in UK, if you go to the Pakistan shop, sorry guys, I'm just looking because of the cars. If you go to the Pakistani shop or Asda sells it as well. I think I've shown it in one of my videos as well. It's a peanut punch. It's quite nice. Peanut punch. It's very nice. I use it sometimes to replace food, but it's mainly even my husband that even drink it. Can you imagine? This one is £1. The last time I bought in Asda, it was 80p, but then when I went back to Asda again recently, they've increased it back to £1 12p. So I saw it here for £1 in the post office, because the post office they also sell drinks, snack and all that. Okay, so I saw it in the post office for £1, so I bought 5. So guys, I'm going to go shopping now in Asda. What am I saying now? I'm going to go shopping now in Aldi and Tesco. Okay, I'm not sure if I will take you guys to Aldi, but we'll see. Let's see how it goes. If I get a proper trolley, then I'll take you guys into Aldi. If not, I'll just take you guys only to Tesco. Okay, all right, let's go. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and check out my website SOPHIA'S.com if you want this turban. If you're looking for jewelry, looking for summer bags, or you're just looking for normal everyday bag, backpack, fabrics, African print, dresses, fashion, you know, jewelries, costume jewelries, gold plated, gold, silver. I have that in my website guys, so please support me. And also don't forget to share this video. I know it's just a vlog, day in the life vlog. Yeah guys, but share it if you enjoy watching it, and if you like videos like this, leave me a comment telling me that. Okay guys, so let's go. So shopping basket. I'm inside Aldi, guys, because I'm using my camera, so I'm a bit careful. So that's my shopping for now. Just going to the section there to pick some food stuff. Okay, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be getting the barbecue sauce, and that's the price, 79p. I think I'm going to be getting like 4 of them because my kids, they like the barbecue sauce. And then I want to get mackerel, so that's the mackerel there, and the price is 64p. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, sorry I couldn't vlog much in Asda. I mean Aldi, not Asda, Aldi. I'm in the car now. The boot is opened. I just want to put my shopping inside. Okay, guys. Yeah, so we can go Tesco. Hopefully I can vlog Tesco. Okay, guys. guys, I'm in Tesco. Copyright music did not allow me talk. So much copyright music, guys. So much copyright music. So I couldn't really talk. But I'm inside Tesco and I'm just looking around. I wanted to get some clothing, but I'm still thinking about it. Copyright music again. So guys, I'm done from Tesco. There's Tesco over there. Today weather is very nice. Very nice today, 12th May 2022. The weather is very nice today, guys. I'm in the car park. It's a very huge car park. This is just one section. So Tesco, I'm done from Tesco. I'll show you guys the stuff I bought for £65 something. If you should convert that money in naira, you will shout. £65. Let me show you guys quickly. So guys, that's my trolley. There's everything in my trolley there. Okay, anyway, because I bought some clothing. I bought this shirt for my son, and I got pajamas for him and the socks for Precious. Everything here is let's say £66 in this little stuff you're seeing here, guys. See, my trolley is not even half filled. That's it, £66.